What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo? Nako guys, meron tayong pag-uusapan ngayon na isang marketplace na ang pangalan niya ay Playdapp. Nako, kung gusto mong malaman, sabayan mo ako. Let's go! What's up? What's up mga kabit? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Marvin Favis again at your service. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon itong si Playdapp guys. So itong si Playdapp ay isang marketplace at isa ring syempreng blockchain game platform. So mamaya guys pag-uusapan natin anong meron dito sa marketplace na to. Pero ang uunahin natin syempre yung sinabi ko sa inyo as promised, yung kanilang play to earn game na Along with the Gods. So yan guys, ito yung pag-uusapan natin. Game Along with the Gods NFT have arrived. Raid, battle, and collect powerful NFT heroes. So celebrate the launch of Along with the Gods NFT with awesome events. And by the way guys, pwede natin tong i-connect sa ating MetaMask. Ayan, sige, kukonek ko nga Switch to Ethereum. So ayan guys, nakonect ko na siya sa aking MetaMask wallet. By the way guys, kung yung MetaMask nyo ay walang Polygon, pwede nyong ilagay, So, copy nyo lang to. Nakikita nyo itong information dito. I-paste nyo dyan para magkaroon kayo ng Polygon Network. So, ayan, meron na tayo ngayong Polygon Network. Connect na natin doon sa ating Playdapp. So, guys, as you can see, marami kayong nakikitang NFTs dito. Pero ngayon, guys, ang pag-uusapan natin itong Along with the Gods. Kasi nakita nyo, meron dyang League of Kingdoms, kung ano-ano pa. Pero yun, focus tayo dito, guys. For your information, guys, makikita nyo ang Playdapp, yung kanilang token dito sa CoinMarketCap. Silipin na rin natin yung kanilang medium, okay? Ayan, Playdapp Games. Latest news, events from Playdapp to you, November 2021. How to earn playing Along with the Gods. So, nandito yan. Pwede nyo basahin yan. And then, Along with the Gods play to earn staking guidelines. Pwede nyo rin siyang basahin dito. So, ilalagay ko naman tong link sa description, guys, para madali nyo tong ma-access, okay? So, gaya na sabi ko sa inyo kanina, marketplace ito and then blockchain game platform. Pwede nyo explore to, guys. Marami kayong matututunan dito about the game itself. Pero sige, silipin natin tong Along with the Gods. By the way, pwede nyo tong i-install guys sa inyong mobile phone. Pero as of now, well, Android pa lang siya. Kung gusto mo naman, laruin mo sa desktop mo, mag-download ka ng BlueStacks. I'm sure yung iba dyan, alam nyo yun. Lalo na yung mga nakapag-COC before or Clash of Clans. Ibibigay ko na rin sa inyo guys itong Playdapp Lab, okay? Andito lahat ng information about them. So, pwede nyo rin siyang tingnan para updated din kayo sa mga bagong lalabas na mga games, okay? So, dito mababasa natin na the definition of a blockchain game and current situation. So, yan. Number 1, trend of monetization through game service. So yan, makikita nyo rin dito guys yung mga different developers and mga gumagawa ng mga game. O yan, nandiyan sila EA Sports. So ngayon guys, as you can see, nakalagay dito, in 2021, we are faced with a new paradigm, the era of play to earn. The blockchain game industry is rewarding gamers for playing games, allowing them to monetize game content by simply playing them. So ngayon, nauuso na ngayon nga guys, nakikita nyo naman ang play to earn. Kasi dati naglalaro tayo ng mga games, tayo ang gumagastos. This time, pwede na tayo kumita by playing yung mga games na ginagawa nila. So marami yan guys, nagsisimula na lahat, NFTs, Metaverse at kung ano-ano pa. So nakikita nyo naman yung development ng ating technology using yung blockchain technology. Ngayon, exponential growth in the NFT-based gaming market. Even the Axie Infinity, nakalagay dito, nasa revenue nila 400 million in July 2021. So hindi biro. Even naman nakikita nyo guys yung mga Dota 2, 'di ba? Magkano ang mga premium nila? Nakikita nyo naman, million talaga. Napakalaki kasi guys talaga ng budget at saka ng potential ng gaming industry. And ngayon, kung nag-e-evolve na, napupunta na tayo dito sa play to earn, well, of course, dapat i-consider nyo rin, guys. Consider nyo kung saan na tayo papunta. Kasi pag ikaw ay natatrap pa din dun sa mga dating ginagawa, dapat at least man lang i-develop mo din naman yung iyong skills and knowledge about yung mga technology dumadating para mag-benefit ka din. So, ayan, nakalagay dito, pay to play, meron ding free to play, and then play to earn. Ayan na, nakikita nyo na ang development and evolution ng mga laro. So ito guys, hindi ko na to babasahin kasi sobrang haba nito, Maraming mga samples dito and graphs na pwede nyong tingnan. Pwede rin naman, lagay ko dyan sa description. Kung may extra time ka, basahin mo, marami ka matututunan dito sa kanilang white paper. Ayan, so yan. Even the marketplace, in-explain dito, itong ang SDK guys, So para rin magkaroon kayo ng konting idea guys, Playdapp develops and provides a Playdapp SDK to help game developers easily participate in the blockchain-based Playdapp service ecosystem. So mas madadalian ng developers dyan dahil sa SDK. So ayan, nakalagay dito no na ang ginagamit din nila ay yung proven global top tier blockchain technology platform. So ito yan guys, nakikita nyo Polygon, Playdapp, Chainlink. By the way guys, makikita nyo ang PLA no, yung token nila sa Coinbase. Yan, yun yung token nila guys, PLA. Makikita nyo sa Coinbase, sa Upbit. Actually nandyan din sila sa Uniswap. So ayan, Playdapp game portfolio. So guys, napapansin ko na nga, ayan na nga, RPG, casual, tournament, and yung binanggit ko kanina, which is doon na papunta yung metaverse. So number 5, interoperable NFTs. Increase the value of game service with interoperable NFT by using Playdapp IP. So ayan. So tingnan naman natin tong Along with the Gods, no, Knights of the Dawn. Okay, ito yung kanilang token AWTG P2E server officially launched. So nag-launch na siya guys, pwede na natin subukan. Download nyo sa Google Play. Uulitin ko, Android lang guys muna ang pwede. Pwede mo ring laruin sa BlueStacks dyan sa computer mo. Mag-download ka lang. And then click lang itong download na to. So meron silang pre-registration rewards guys pag nag-open na itong P2E. So may mga gems, legendary hero, may golden. So may directions din kung paano, no? Go to settings, enter coupon, and then enter yung code nakalagay dyan. The reward coupon will be sent 14 days after launch date. Each coupon can only be used once. So just to give you an idea guys, ang nakalagay dito, no, yung AWTG P2E server is a specialized server that allows people to enjoy playing AWTG while fulfilling certain conditions to earn rewards beyond in-game items. So siguro guys, alam niyo naman, andyan na ang PvP, andyan na ang arena, may mga story mode yan. Ngayon, ano yung pwede mong ma-earn? Ayan, nakalagay dito guys, meron ditong daily mission na pwede mong gawin. Makakakuha ka ng 5 PLA token. And then meron din silang weekly PvP ranking. Malaki-laki to guys, up to 5,000 PLA yung makukuha mong reward. So paano ba kayo magpa-participate? Guys, simpleng-simple lang. Ayan, meron daily mission, meron ding PvP. It's up to you kung saan ka magpa-participate. So pili ka lang dyan guys, basahin mo lang yan, daily missions and PvP, malalaman mo kung paano. And even yung direction kung paano mo makukuha yung reward. Guys, at dito rin, no? How to get your reward. You can get a daily reward by staking 3 SR grade Play NFTs. 1 SSR grade must be staked for PvP compensation. So at least mag-stake ka nun ng kanilang SR grade NFT para makapag-participate ka, makakuha ka ng kanilang daily reward. So may direction din dito guys kung paano makuha tong SR and SSR grade Play NFTs. So una, purchase them from the Playdapp marketplace. Pwede yun. Number 2, merge and upgrade lower grade NFTs. Number 3, purchase them from the pre-sale event page. So yan, pwede nyo naman i-click yan guys. Go to buy NFT package, go to merge, browse marketplace. So it's all up to you. And you can also join yung mga kanilang social media accounts para in a way ma-assist ka nila at saka yung mga existing na mga players and nasa community makakapagtanong-tanong din kayo. And sige, wag natin kalimutan tong Along with the Gods NFT pre-staking event, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, i-hold nyo lang yung Play NFTs in your wallet. Pwede na kayo magkaroon ng reward. Yun yung sinabi ko kanina, diba? So ito yun guys, ilalagay ko na rin itong link na to for added information sa'yo. So ayan guys, pwede mong basahin kung paano mo i-stake yung PlayZ NFT mo, which is na-discuss na rin naman natin kanina. Added information guys, sa CoinGecko, pwede nyo rin makita yung Playdapp or yung PLA token. And as of now guys, nasa 105 pesos siya, no? Habang sinushoot ko tong video ngayon, which is November 16. So guys, ayoko na masyadong patagalin tong video na to. I know na-gets nyo naman kung ano yung sinabi ko sa Playdapp at saka yung Along with the Gods na upcoming. Alright? So I hope guys, merong nadagdag sa inyong kaalaman about dito sa ating mga blockchain game platform. Maraming salamat sa time mo. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to guys, don't forget to like the button para mas marami pang makapanood ng video na to. And thank you so much guys for subscribing. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. And kung gusto mo palagi kang updated sa mga launchpad, sa games, sa token, at saka sa trading, all about cryptocurrencies, huwag mong kalimutan i-press yung notification bell para lagi kang updated. Yun lang muna guys. God bless you.